Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video, so let's start the powerful video. Your eyes are the primary aspect of your face that others notice the most. If you are a man and you are reading this, you should pay attention because an overwhelming majority of women have the need to be told that they have lovely eyes. It is possible that you have witnessed a significant number of women going to great efforts in order to make their eyes look more attractive. For example, they may use contact lenses to alter the color of their eyes, or they may apply cosmetics in order to further enhance their appearance. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. However, there are times when you may not be able to spare the money to purchase contact lenses or makeup in order to make your eyes appear more radiant. The ability to have eyes that are naturally gorgeous is a trait that many people desire, but not everyone is able to obtain this result. We at Be Attractive have made the decision to assist you in your endeavor, and as a result, we have compiled a list of suggestions and techniques that will enable you to get naturally attractive eyes without the use of any eye makeup or eye accessories. The reason why the regions surrounding the eyes are of such great significance. Your eyes and the areas surrounding them might appear lifeless and dull for a variety of reasons, including the presence of pollutants in the air, the ultraviolet rays of the sun, a lack of moisture in your skin, or a lack of sleep in your life. These are just some of the factors that can contribute to this appearance. The pigmentation that occurs as a result of exposure to ultraviolet rays is what causes the darkening of the skin around your eyes. It is also possible for dark circles under the eyes to occur when there is a lack of sleep, and the likelihood of developing fine lines and wrinkles is increased when the body does not have sufficient antioxidants. It is common for your skin to get dry as a result of a lack of moisture, which can also lead to the appearance of lines and wrinkles, much like you would envision a berry losing its moisture and shrinking. The region around your eyes requires even more moisturizing than usual because the skin in that area does not have oil glands that create sebum, which is the substance that is responsible for maintaining the moisture level of your skin. Retaining body fluids. Applying moisturizer to the area around your eyes helps to maintain the skin in that area in a lush and taut state. Considering that about 2/3 of your skin is composed of water, it is of the utmost importance to ensure that your skin is adequately hydrated. Ensure that you consume enough amount of water throughout the day, preferably at least 2 liters of water at regular intervals. It is also possible to use cotton pads that have been dipped in cold water and placed over your closed eyelids for approximately 10 minutes in order to assist your eyes in feeling lighter and more relaxed. By applying a high-quality moisturizer to the region around your eyes, you may prevent the skin from becoming dry and delay the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. On the other hand, it is important to keep in mind that the skin around your eyes is significantly thinner than the skin on the rest of your face. As a result, you should exercise caution when selecting the moisturizer that you will use. In the event that the moisturizer causes you to experience a little stinging sensation, causes the skin to turn red, or you simply feel as though it is not functioning, we would recommend that you switch to an eye cream instead. Exercises for the face focus on the eyes. A simple facial massage, particularly in the area around the eyes, can do a great deal of good for your eyes by assisting in the improvement of blood circulation and making the eyes feel more relaxed. Additionally, it assists in the drainage of any excess fluid that may be present in the area and contributing to the appearance of puffiness in the eyes. Keeping the area around your eyes very toned and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles can be accomplished by performing some basic facial exercises and massages with your fingers. Some examples of these exercises include pulling the eyebrows up and closing the eyes. Do's and don'ts, the rules. Due to the fact that your eyes are one of the most delicate and exposed parts of your body, it is essential that you protect not just your eyes but also the skin that surrounds them at all times. It is better to wash your eyes rather than rub them if you experience any kind of irritation. Because our hands come into contact with our face and the area around our eyes the majority of the time throughout the day, it is essential that we wash our hands on a consistent basis in order to maintain a clean and bacterial-free environment for our hands. To protect your eyes from the dangerous ultraviolet rays of the sun, as well as the glare and pollutants that are present in the environment, wearing sunglasses is an additional wonderful technique to safeguard your eyes. At-home treatments. If you want to prevent and treat fine wrinkles, puffy eyes, dark circles, and sunken eyes, In addition to obtaining a good night's sleep and eating a nutritious diet that is full of fruits and green leafy vegetables, there are a few other cures that you may try out. Keeping a cotton ice pad in place causes the blood vessels to constrict, which results in the eyes feeling lighter and more relaxed. This feature has been discussed previously. You might also consider putting a pair of spoons in the freezer for a time, then taking them out and placing the curved parts of the spoons over your eyelids while they are closed. In the event that you are concerned about the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, a mask that is made by beating egg whites and applying it to the area around the eyes for approximately 10 to 15 minutes is a wonderful method for tightening the skin in that area. Regarding dark circles under the eyes, it appears that the juice of a pair of cucumbers is quite efficient in treating them. If you want to lessen the darkening of the skin around your eyes, you could also try preparing a mask out of tomato pulp, which you would then combine with lime juice, a teaspoon of Grammy flour, and a very small amount of turmeric powder. This would be an effective method. You can reduce puffiness by placing slices of raw potato or green tea bags that have been soaked in cooled water over your eyes. This is especially helpful if you have eyes that are puffy or inflamed. It is also possible to get the same results by dipping a couple of cotton pads in ice-cold milk. In a few weeks, if you apply a mixture of honey and almond oil to the area around your eyes, you will be able to get the appearance of fresh and bright eyes. This is helpful if your eyes are feeling dull and appear sunken. Tips for people who stare at a screen for an excessive amount of time. There are a lot of occupations available in today's world that require employees to spend hours upon hours in front of a computer screen. Your eyes will be very dull and dismal by the time you leave the office, in addition to the fact that this will exhaust both your mind and your body during the day. It is recommended that you make an effort to glance away from the screen and at something else every 20 minutes to half an hour in order to prevent this from occurring. In order to make the most of your break, it is highly recommended that you go for a brief stroll, even if it is just around the cubicle. Additionally, in order to prevent your eyes from becoming dry, you should make sure that you blink them frequently. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want more content like this. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.